Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to share with you some Christmas gingerbread DIYs, so if you guys want to see what I came up with, then please keep watching. Alright, first up is our little mini cutting board with our family members on it. I got these on Etsy with our names custom engraved. I will link them down below if you want to get them. Or you can use some plain gingerbread men. I'm showing you these from Hobby Lobby here. I know Dollar Tree carries them too. I just never can get my hands on them. Then I found this mini cutting board. It was on clearance for $3.99 plus half off of that, so it was a great deal. First thing we're going to do is paint our cutting board sign. Now in hindsight, I wish I would have sanded it, but that's okay. It still worked. You couldn't see the writing through it. Here I'm just showing you what I'm using. I'm using the Crimson Waverly chalk paint for the 2 beads. So it took about 3 coats to get it fully opaque. Alright, since our gingerbread men are already a perfect color, I'm just going to add some accent colors to the buttons. So the girls are going to get red buttons, the boys are going to get green buttons. I also colored in the little bows on the girls, and then I added some gold puffy paint to the boys' bow. Once everything is dry, I'm going to go ahead and put them on there, try to get my placement. Now I did glue them down like kind of crooked like this, but I went back because I didn't really like it and I put it on straight. So after that, you're just going to add your Our Family sign, and I decided to add a bow. Got this gingham ribbon from Hobby Lobby. It was not in the Christmas section, but I really liked the pattern. Just going to attach your bow, and this one is complete. Very, very cute. Alright, next up are these cute little salt and pepper shakers. Now I found these on Amazon. I like the little tray that it came with. As you can see, it sits in there really nice. Now I'm going to be using some white chalk paint, some red and white twine, and these little buttons I found on Temu. They're cute little gingerbread buttons. So I'm just going to paint the outside of the little salt and pepper containers white, 2 coats of that. Then I'm going to paint the top red. I added 2 or 3 coats to that. Now we're just going to add our twine. I wrapped it around quite a few times just to make it look nice, since the twine is kind of thin, make it look like a thick bow. Once we've done that to both of them, we're just going to simply add our little buttons on there, and this one is done. Now you can use this for salt and pepper, or you can use this for sprinkles, or you don't have to use it at all. It is pretty just as decoration. I think I will be using mine for decoration, but they're just really, really precious. You can always put like an S and a P on there for salt and pepper. Alright, next up is our little mini wreaths. I found these 2 wreaths from Hobby Lobby, this little mini cutting board, and this little mini rolling pin, all from Hobby Lobby. The exception is those gingerbread men. They are from Walmart. They were from a pick, but these little mini ornaments are from Hobby Lobby as well as the ribbon I'm going to use. So this one's really simple. We're just going to take off the beads from the cutting board and glue it down. Now we're going to take our little gingerbread man, stick him on the other side, and then stick the cookie and the candy cane on there as well. Now you can play around with the placement. I really like this one. I'm going to be using them above my kitchen windows. So it's perfect size. Now here I'm just adding my bow. And these sprinkles, how precious. They are from Amazon. Really love them. I've got little gingerbread men and little candy canes or little peppermints. Really, really cute. We're just going to attach that to the bow, and this one is done. Now we're going to do the same thing with the other wreath, but just add the rolling pin. I just decided to change the bow so it matches the other bow on the cutting board. And here we are. We're just going to glue everything down. Now I did go through with the gingerbread men and add some puffy paint just to make the white and the red bow stand out a lot more. Gonna add our little, a little sprinkle on there, and this one is done as well. These are so cute. These are probably my favorite. All right, next up is our rolling pin. I just simply took a rolling pin I got from Walmart. It was $2. I painted the handles red with our Waverly Crimson paint. Now I'm gonna take this ornament also from Walmart, just showing you it was super cheap, less than $2. I'm gonna wrap it around there and tie it. Now we're going to take our ribbon. I got this from Hobby Lobby. Going to make a bow out of that. Then we're going to attach our ornament to the rolling pin so it doesn't move around. Then we'll attach our bow. I did add dovetails to the bow. This little tag actually came from the little mini ladders. I thought it was really cute and it needed something, so I took that off and added it here. Really like this one as well. Really simple, but very, very cute. Alright, next up is our Gingerbread Man candle. I went ahead and painted the pedestal in that crimson ahead of time. I'm adding the candle just to make sure it all fits. Then I found these cute little gingerbread cutouts from Michaels. They are like a foam material. And I decided to go over it with some more puffy paint because the white paint was a little bit yellow for my liking. And I also wanted to make it more 3D. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I am going to add, red and green and alternate. Just have fun with this. Be creative. You can do whatever you want. You can add more. I just wanted to get some color on there and not have it be all plain brown. So once those are all dry, you're going to need a little while for it to dry. It takes some time. You're going to attach them to the pedestal. Just going to glue the men down, glue their hands together so that they, don't come apart. Now this one was really cute. I might be making another one. I do have another idea for a Candyland version, so stay tuned for that. But this one was super simple. Really, really love it. It will fit any large candle, Bath & Body Works. This is a Walmart candle. It's a really big pedestal and it's perfect. I just love this one so much. Alright, next up are these little scoops and spoons. I've seen these everywhere and I wanted to give it a try and it's so easy. So I got both of those from Hobby Lobby, the spoon and the scoops. We're going to be using this white chalk paint and red chalk paint. Now we're going to be using those cutouts from Hobby Lobby. Here I'm showing you it comes with all kinds of options. We're just going to go ahead and paint those. Going to paint the candy cane red and white, and the gingerbread man, he will be getting one coat of the nutmeg brown. I'm going back in and adding our red stripes. Make sure everything is dry, guys. You don't want it to bleed into each other. Just going to add our puffy paint to the details of the gingerbread men. Paint his little bow on with that red paint and the green puffy paint for his buttons. So precious. Now we're going to be adding these bows. This ribbon is from Hobby Lobby. Now I decided the candy cane was a little flat, so I wanted to add some sparkle to it. And here we are. It looks so much prettier with this glue. This glitter glue came from Walmart. And then we're going to attach our little ornaments, our little charms, and that's it. Alright, now we're going to move on to our spoons. Like I said, the spoons are from Hobby Lobby. We're just going to fill it with our puffy paint and add your sprinkles. Really cute, really fun, and just simple. I really love these sprinkles from Amazon. They're little gingerbread men and little gingerbread house. It's just precious. Now these do take, at least 24 hours to dry because you're adding a lot of puffy paint. You don't want to touch it. This one I decided to mix red and green together. Just be creative, guys. We're going to add our bow, a little sprinkle on the top, and that is it. Really, really cute. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed these DIYs. Don't forget to stay tuned. I will be making more DIYs. They will be coming your way shortly. I do want to get my Christmas Decorate With Me started. I will be starting with my kitchen. So if you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you have not already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys!
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows in the rain.